In today's video, I will walk you through how to change Discord username. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your computer and log into your account. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area and a gear icon. Click the gear icon to open User Settings. In the Settings menu, select My Account. This is where you'll find your main account information. Look for your current username and click the Edit button next to it. Enter the new username you want to use. Choose something that's easy to read and remember, and avoid including personal information. If the username you want is already taken, try a simple variation that still matches your preferred name. Once you're happy with your new username, Discord may ask you to enter your current password to confirm the change. Enter your password carefully. Then click Save or Done to apply the change. Your new username should now appear throughout Discord, including your servers and direct messages. If the change doesn't appear immediately everywhere, give Discord a moment to synchronize the update. Remember that your username is different from a server nickname. Your username applies across Discord, while a server nickname only changes how you appear in a specific server. That's it. Open Discord, go to User Settings, select My Account, edit your username, confirm the change, and save it. And that's how to change Discord username. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.